Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Wirex account and website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.id.wirexapp.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of the Wirex app. So once you're here, simply type in your email address of your account and type in the password for your account as well and hit the login button. So once you do this, you will get logged in into your account. However, if you don't have your Wirex account already, then hit the register button to get enrolled, or if you have forgotten your password for your account, simply tap on the forgot password option. So by doing this, you can get logged in your Wirex account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.